Greetings and whakalofalaeatu to everyone who are here this beautiful morning. To the principal, teachers, and my friends, the students, the judges, our parents and grandparents. A very big good morning to you all. My name is Tauakina, Toeono-Tohovaka, and the topic of my speech is do not pollute the sea. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. He put all the beautiful trees, the animals, the birds, and as well as man on land. He put all the many-colored fish in the sea. From the humongous fish, such as the whale, to the tiniest fish, such as the lakua or rakapa. The sea is their home, just like the land is our home. We all know that. We love a clean, tidy, and comfortable home, and so do the fish. They want a plastic-free home. They want to have no broken coral homes, and they want a danger-free home. They want to swim in clean, clear waters, just like how God had made it in the very beginning. Well then, my friends, what can we do? How can we help to keep the sea clean, safe, and free from any kind of danger? First and most important of all, we must respect the sea. Always remember, it is the home to all the living things in it. Just like you going to your friend's home, you don't leave rubbish lying around. When you go to the sea, always remember to bring back everything you took down back home with you. Your plastic bags, bottles, and anything which may harm the many creatures living in the sea. A poor turtle may get his head caught up in a plastic bag. Soon he'd stop breathing and die. A baby whale may swallow plastic bottles and some other harmful rubbish, and it will get sick again and die. Some little fish may swallow your unwanted hooks. They'll get sick and die. It's very sad, isn't it, when you stop to think about it? Therefore, my friends, what can we do? How can we help to keep the sea clean? Always remember the many kinds of fish and other creatures who call the sea, many kinds of other creatures who live and call the sea their home. And you know what? I would like my children one day to see, to fish, and to enjoy all the good things from the sea that we are enjoying today. And so please, please do not pollute our sea. Do not pollute our sea. Thank you and whakawelai for listening.